Requesting transport. Head to the town of Ford.
Settle down, Marines. Somebody hit the emergency power.
On it, Sergeant. Think the brutes know where we are?
Anyone from Charlie 2? We got separated.
Nah, man. Alpha 6, they're all gone too.
You can walk? Set your boots on the line.
Kill that.
What's our situation, Sergeant?
Not sure. Can't reach the commander. Too far underground. Let's mount up. Get the hell out of these caves.
Let's go, sir!
I'll take a ride.
I'll get the door, sir.
Okay.
Let me drive.
Time for some target practice.
Ready to rock.
Boston's space element.
It collapsed when the city got glassed.
But the tether was thousands of kilometers high.
Yeah? Well, now it's scattered all over the savannah.
Can't get the commander. Comms are a mess. Pelicans are scattered. Best thing now, get some distance between us and the base. Brutes are gonna be looking for survivors.
They've got a turret!
Shotgun!
I'll take gunner seat. Get me in range.
Up and around that dam, sir!
I repeat, my convoy's been hit. I've got wounded. We're on the Tsavo highway about east of Voy. Someone, anyone, please respond.
Alright, here it comes.
I got an angle. What's up?
Better take it any longer, I'll be in my second gun. Let's kick some Covenant ass! Move up! Stay on them! Stay on them!
Got him!
Gods will not begrudge our expedition. By uncovering this relic, we pay homage to their glory.
Take down that barrier, Chief. Power supply should be inside the tunnel.
I already know. Here lies the path, the start of our great journey.
Recon 111. The cruiser's above. They found...
Say again, Recon? You're breaking up.
something in the crater, ma'am. Something beneath the storm.
All right!
Reinforcements as requested.
Master Chief, finally a good connection. Truth has excavated a Forerunner artifact. We have to assume it's the Ark.
Keep pushing to the town of Voy, Chief. Resupply birds will meet you in the next valley.
Here comes the one-man cavalry.
Attack! What will I do without him?
Incoming! You nailed it!
I'll get him!
Hey!
More contacts!
got reinforcements, Marines!
Hoorah!
Sir, recon spotted Covenant armor ahead. Pelicans are inbound with heavy weapons. You need to hold out until they arrive.
Get contact!
Come on!
Keep going.
Pelicans coming in!
Brutes have plenty of armor between here and Boyd, Chief. But this Warthog should help you punch on through.
Line me up some targets. This is it! Sir, you are a walking tank, sir!
Move up! Chopper! Sniper! Sniper's down!
Great, Master Chief, first in that hill. On that jumper, too, so stay sharp. Hoorah!
Nice drive!
Watch out!
Using the turret, got it!
Open her up!
Right there!
Thanks for the assist. You like it?
Demon must not pass!
My dreadnought, the vessel that has so long been the focus of our worship, now rests on its true pedestal. Now, its holy engines spark greater ones below, relics long without power, yet ready to fulfill their divine purpose. Stand fast! Keep our enemies at bay! Soon, my brothers, we will all have our reward!
We will bring you down! I lost him! He's in cover! No! You almost died!
We've got tangos!
Lord Hood, we made it.
Music to my ears, Commander. What about the Ark?
Fully uncovered, sir.
Then we don't have much time. Marines, the Prophet of Truth doesn't know it yet, but he's about to get kicked right off his throne. You will take our city back and drive our enemy into the graves they've been so happily digging. One final effort is all